Hi everyone and welcome back to the ParleAfrica channel. My name is Paul King and here we make learning languages, especially French, simple, practical and fun. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about French numbers. And by the end of this lesson, I want to believe that you should be able to count from 0 to 100 in French. You should also be able to understand the patterns that are used to form French numbers. Alright, let's get into it. Numbers are one of the very first things that you need to learn when studying a new language. This is because you will use numbers a lot. When you are talking about your age, your phone number, your prices of goods, date and time, money, addresses, quantities and measurements, etc. So numbers are very, very important. And one good thing is that French numbers are quite straightforward once you can understand the pattern. So let's just take it step by step. Numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactement. I want you to repeat this several times until you can say the numbers without looking at the screen. Now let's take numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Exactement. Now, did you notice that 17, 18, and 19 follow a simple pattern? It's literally 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. Now, let me quickly give you some, quick usage examples before we proceed. J'ai 16 ans, which means I'm 16 years old. Il a 18 ans. He is 18 years old. Nous sommes 19. It means we are 19 or there are 19 of us. Exactement. Now let's move on to the next category, which is numbers 20 to 29. I said earlier 20 is 20, so let's move on from there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Exactement. Now I want to quickly give you an important rule. Whenever you are talking about 21, 31, 41, 51 and so on, you should always use the word and. So it's not 20, it is 21. Exactement. So now I want to give you the main things that you need to memorize. Knowing this will really help you get along with the numbers. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, 100. Now once you know this, you can build most French numbers by yourself. Now, having looked at 0 to 29, let's take a look at 30 to 60. Now, the reason why I'm taking it like this is because there is a pattern and the pattern is very regular. You just need to pay attention. The same pattern from 20 to 29 is what we find from 30 to 60, or let me say 30 to 59. So let's take it one after the other. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So if you notice, it's literally 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3, until you get to 30 plus 9. So the same pattern goes for 40. 40 plus 1, 40 plus 2, 40 plus 3, until you get to 40 plus 9, which is 49. The same thing goes for 50 plus 1, 50 plus 2, till you get to 50 plus 9, which is 59. So let's take it from 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Exactement. Now, from 60 to 69 follows the same pattern. But I want to introduce you to 70, 80, 90. From 60 down to 79, all you are doing is 60 plus 1, 60 plus 2, 60 plus 3, until you get to 60 plus 19, which gives you 79. So let's take it. 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Then 80 is 80, which literally means 4 20s. That's 4 times 20 gives you 80. Now from 80 down to 99 is literally 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, until you get to 80 plus 19, which gives you 99. So let's take it. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100 gives you 100. Exactement. So as you can see, it's not difficult. You just need to understand the pattern. So the big pattern is this. 0 to 16, you have to memorize that. Once you know that, 17, 18, 19 is literally 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. 20 is 20. From 20 down to 69 is literally, you have to do it 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2. Then once you get to 29, the circle begins. 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, until you get to 39. 40 plus 1, 40 plus 2, until you get to 49. The same thing goes for 50. The same thing goes for 60. When you get to 70, it now becomes 60 plus 11 gives you 71, until you get to 60 plus 19. When you get to 80, you have to do the same thing, 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, until you get to 80 plus 19, which gives you 99, and you have your 100 to be 100. Exactement. That is the French numbers from 0 to 100. In the next video, I'm going to talk about numbers from 100 to 1000 and how you can learn them without having to cram. Alright, that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. À très vite!